these effects, people often tend to give more importance to the visual ones, but as George Lucas said, the sound is often the 50% of a film production. Because of this, we are going to analyze the use of sound effects and soundtracks and how these two factors can be crucial on the message that a director intends to transmit. For showing you this, we are going to take as principal reference All Is Lost, a survival American movie with almost no dialogue lines in which J.C. Chandor, the director, wanted to show the importance of the sound by forcefully changing from a peaceful state to a moment of anxiety or tension on certain scenes, and so bring to the public the thoughts and feelings of the protagonist, emphasizing them with the sound effects. An important fact is that as an independent movie, the production team had a limited budget. Reason why they preferred the practical effects. Because of this, a huge percentage of sound effects are present as fully and ADR tracks, recorded directly on the boats placed in the set. This to achieve more realistic sounds. Let's see a first example of the use of sound effects. As you can see, on this scene there was no background music. It was done in this way because it was crucial to create an intense moment and emphasizes on the boats and water effect, where every sound tells something to the audience, generating a big impact and focusing the expectation on every action done by our man. A similar use of sounds for generating an experience to the audience is shown on the next clip. On this film, Jolie wanted to transmit delicacy in another movie. She wanted elegant and principally real sound effects. For this, Becky Sullivan, the supervising sound editor of the film, and her team got recorded every detailed sound from the unique remaining real B-24 aircraft and in this way creating their fully tracks. The director was searching for authenticity on every sound, reason why on this scene the team searched to transmit the anguishing feeling by using big and bold sounds without being exaggerated. Taking this into account, we can appreciate the second important category in which sound is embedded in a film. Playing with the emotions of the audience, filmmakers try to create different atmospheres in order to focus the attention and generate a boost that involves tension and emotions from different points of view. Let's see how the message of the scene can change just by adding sound in a different way. Adding music to these kind of scenes detracts them from the realism that the director intended to achieve by using the sounds of the objects and the environment. The audio have to be understood as another actor of the film, always realistic and expressive, letting the audience feel like in a real-life situation. Let's take a look to our second example. After watching these examples, we can conclude that there have to be a balance and an evaluation of every scene for adding the proper sound according to its meaning, because there are also moments in which the character's point of view and feelings have to be reinforced with the background music as a complement of the film's visuals.